YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another sketch with me, Bible sketch notes, and we're in the book of Exodus. We just completed last week the 10 plagues, so this week I'm going to do the 10 commandments for Exodus, and then we will go from there. So I'm going to put it on fast forward, and I will be right back. Okay, so I didn't sketch this one out like I normally do before I do them, but I just did it off the cuff. So again, it says 10 commandments. The first one, I'll just put a finger like, number 1, because you're not supposed to have any other gods before God. Number 2, that's one of the Egyptian gods. It's Ra. That's totally forgot. I think it's Ra. Thou shalt not make any other graven images. And then number 3, I just put like a person with a speech bubble going to say OMG, and I just put an X there for the G because we take, taking the Lord's name in vain. A lot of people say don't curse, but it's also his name. It's saying his name. Don't take his name in vain, so we're not supposed to use his name. And then, especially in cursing. And number 4, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. So I got to put the days up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's the 7th day. And that's the day of rest, the Sabbath. Number 5, that's supposed to be mom and dad. Honor your mother and the father, so the days on earth might be long. Thou shalt not kill. I put a gun, but usually also you can kill with words. Thou shalt not commit adultery, so I just put 2 rings, like for marriage. Thou shalt not steal, if a person having a bag of like goodies they stole. Thou shalt not bear false witness, so you really shouldn't be lying. So it's like a Pinocchio nose. Thou shalt not cover the house and all the other person's possessions. And then I just drew the tablets, the 10 commandments. I just wrote them in Roman numerals. Made it simple and quick, to the point. So I'm just going to date it. I think the day is 29th, I think. So that is this week's lesson that I drew out with the 10 commandments. And I think I might do, before I go into the next one, I think I might do the temple or something. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do next, where I'm going to go to the next book. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And if you want to see up close picture, you can also check it out on hzscribe on Instagram. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to let God use you. In Jesus' name, amen.